The fuck is this?
Preview.
TikTok is bad. No, don't install TikTok. Di video kali ini aku bakal membuktikan ke kalian TikTok itu nggak perlu diinstal, nggak perlu di-download. To be honest, aku nggak punya TikTok. Like, I have no TikTok installed in my phone at all. Like, no TikTok. Tapi di sini aku untuk pertama kalinya akan mencoba melihat apakah memang perlu untuk menginstal TikTok. Let's check it. TikTok. Oh ya, TikTok. Sorry. Let's go. No. Hah? Apa ini? Kenapa bahasa Arab? Oh my god. Even my first impression on TikTok is already bad. Okay. So basically this is my front page, like for FYP. I don't know. Tapi inilah front page TikTok yang pasti sudah difilter sama TikTok. Video-video apa aja yang bagus untuk penonton. Aduh, opo iki wisan. Aduh. Oke.
Jujur ini tuh tidak make up sama sekali. Aku cuma pakai skincare doang, habis itu pasang bulu mata.
Ih, sama aku juga pakai skincare, pakai listrik, pakai body shaming, pakai badak, babi, anjing kau, monyet kau.
Ya Allah.
Ya ma, maaf ma.
TikTok. Are you serious? What kind of trash is this? Ew. Okay.
Beli
Next one.
sepatu, beli beras. Gue emang cukup, tapi lo sok keras. Pak, lapo sih Pak, ojo ditiru anakmu iku, ya Allah. Inilah yang dinamakan kebun nusu gudal. No. You shouldn't. If this kind of shit that TikTok give it to you, what the fuck is this?
Yang ngedeketin ada, yang ngajak balikan juga ada, yang ngajak jadian juga ada.
Terus opo mbak? Maksudmu kuwi opo? Ngomong sing jelas.
Ya, tapi gimana ya? Orang maunya kamu.
Aku sing mau karepne aku. Ayo, aman ini tak parani saiki. Aku ah.
Hei, siapa yang meninggalkan bawang di sini?
I hate TikTok already. Yeah, I can make a conclusion. Kesimpulannya adalah I hate TikTok. Okay, let's try to refresh the FYP.
Miskin, banyak gaya, hobinya poya-poya. Miskin, banyak gaya.
Refreshing is not help. That's the point.
Temen gue bilang kayak gak ada orang lain aja. Gue bilang lu nggak akan paham.
Kontenmu apa ya gak paham loh mas. Aduh, apa sih iki? Apa iki? No, I just like the music though. Musik enak, musik enak. Jaketmu gak plus mas. No. Apa sih iki TikTok ya Allah? Tolonglah, tolong. Aduh, apa mana iki? My eyes. Give me something fun, please. TikTok. Why do I record this? I have no idea. What trash? Okay. Maybe I need to dig down more.
2,000 years later.
Okay, let's see something funny. Funny. Let's see. Okay. It is too much. It's too much. Let's see. I think this is a fail content. Another fail content for me. I have no idea at all. Oke. Judulnya aja prank terngakak dong. Masa gak ngakak sih? Oke. Take a deep breath. Okay, let's go. I have no idea what I should comment. And then why everyone loves TikTok? Huh? Why? I wanna see how much people already download TikTok. 12 million? Guys, are you crazy? 12 million people? 12 million? Even Denmark only have like 5.8 million people, and TikTok has 12 million. Shame on you, Denmark. No, I mean TikTok. What? Look at this. Bagus, aku suka. Sudah bagus, lihat bawah. Apanya bagus banget. But this is like front page that you got. I know maybe it's like about the algorithm or something, but in fact that TikTok gave me this kind of shit to me, it means this is popular, right? Must be, right? I made the conclusion already. Don't download TikTok. It's a stress. Now I'm off. Bye.